Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. What we need to do is just split the case open to access the key fob battery. So we get a large flat-headed screwdriver, and at the bottom of the key fob there is an indentation there where we just fit the screwdriver in and give it a twist like so. And it splits the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. We now get a smaller flat-headed screwdriver and just simply pop it underneath the battery and just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the key fob battery is facing downwards in this key fob so we know it's in its correct location. And we just simply pop the two halves of the case back together, making sure they're just lined up, and click in place, and there you go, all done.